In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your own coaching program on Kajabi. Whether you're a seasoned coach or someone just beginning to offer coaching services, Kajabi provides a robust platform to bring your coaching business to life. So let's dive right in and get started on this journey. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to kajabi.com in your web browser. This is the home base for all your Kajabi operations where the magic begins. Once you are on the home page, look toward the upper right corner. There you'll find the login button. Give it a click. You'll now be prompted to log in using either your email or Google account. Choose whichever method works best for you. This step is your gateway into the world of Kajabi, allowing access to all its powerful features. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create your coaching program. Kajabi makes this process straightforward. Begin by heading to the products section within your dashboard. You'll see a drop down menu where you'll want to select coaching. Once you've clicked on it, there's an option that says get started. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you through the necessary steps to begin setting up your very own coaching product. Once your coaching product is set up, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the coaching dashboard. This dashboard is the control center for your coaching program where you can manage everything from sessions to client information. Take a few moments to explore the various features and tools available to streamline your coaching experience. With your coaching product ready, the next step is to create an offer. From the main coaching program page, select the program you just created. This selection will serve as the foundation of your offer. Then locate and click on Offers and opt to Add New Offer. A new panel will open up where you can start customizing your offer details. Here you'll be prompted to give your offer a title. Make it catchy and descriptive to attract your potential clients. Then it's time to decide on which products you'd like to include within this offer. The flexibility here allows you to bundle various resources and sessions to enhance the value you provide. Finally, set your price. Reflect on what's fair and competitive, balancing your time and the market demand. And there you have it, simple steps to launching your coaching career on Kajabi, a platform that's both dynamic and user-friendly. By following along, you are set up for success. Remember to leverage the various tools and customization options Kajabi offers to fine-tune your coaching program and meet the needs of your clients. Thank you for joining me today, happy coaching, and see you next time.